What's going on, guys? Will's Bonsai, and today I'm gonna be driving to the nursery. We're gonna see if we can find any bonsai pots, get any soil. We're on the brink of spring. We're getting really close to spring, so I'm excited to go around bonsai hunting, going around to different nurseries and stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to take y'all with me today. So today I'm gonna try to find any kind of nice bonsai pots at the nursery I normally go to, see if the stock is okay, see if they restocked anything, maybe get some soil and pots to prepare. Let's go look around. We're gonna see if we can find some pots, what plants they got going. It's only February though, so we gotta still wait till March. I know we said we're approaching spring, but these are really sick right here, but they don't have no drainage. Come look inside. They got some water, like just whole ponds in there. It looks really sick. I would get something like this for a landscape, but it doesn't have any drainage. So that's rather unfortunate. And look at all the pots going down all the way down there. I mean, maybe we can find something, but a lot of the bonsai pots are inside, which I'm about to go check out. Got all our Japanese maples out here. Look at that. Got all the Japanese maples. Of course, we need to come back in the springtime. But I feel like this would be sick to do a bonsai out of. Look at that. Wow. That would be crazy if you cleared out the trunk and built like a tallish bonsai out of that. That's a beautiful tree right there. That was crazy. Gonna try to find the bonsai pots now. This is where I used to go to get all my different bonsai pots, most of them. This place has the most pots out of any place that I know of. Here's a lot of the best succulent pots you'll find, and I love these. A lot of these are very good. I used to love these to get to do succulents in. This blue one right here, very beautiful pot. Oh man, oh man. They have a bonsai mix down here, a bunch of succulent soils, everything. It's a beautiful place. I just bought a bunch of training pots to put succulents in and sell them in the springtime. Same thing, I bought 2 larger ones, and I actually bought a round single drainage hole planter, not necessarily a bonsai pot. All of this is to produce and to sell to locals around me. Yeah, they're supposed to be getting a giant shipment in of bonsai pots, assorted bonsai pots. But yeah, Petal and Pond is pretty cool. Of course, it's still winter, so it's a lot more live in spring. We were the only ones there for about an hour, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Now, before I wrap up today's video, I just wanted to show you my current bonsai garage stockpile of bonsai pots. I have all my humidity trays right here. I have a rock planter. I got all my soils labeled. It's very, very disorganized right now. I have some rocks for landscapes. Look at that right here. Wow. It's a very nice pot. This has got to be 30 to 40 years old right here. I have so many bonsai pots. Got all my fertilizers in there. Repot mats, mesh. I got everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Quick little nursery trip, quick little bonsai pot rundown, where to find bonsai pots. Just head out to all your local nurseries and you might be able to find bonsai pots, soil. It's more common than you think. You just got to go look around. And I used to have trouble finding some in person. But yeah, guys, y'all stay blessed. Praise Jesus every day. Thank y'all. Have a good one. I'll catch y'all later.